I was blessed with 20 pounds of carrots. I love fresh produce. It's so fun to think of the different ways it could be used, at least in my opinion. This is why we're here today, to show the different things that can be done with carrots. Number one, what we have here is carrot oil. I decided to make this oil because of the benefits. I also got tired of them tiny half-ounce tubes from the beauty supply store that be mixed with 10 different oils. At this point, is it even really carrot oil? So boom, got these extra carrots. We're gonna make it ourselves. Step number one, grate and dry your carrots. The carrots must be dried to keep the oil from going rancid. After I had let it dry outside for 2 days, I blended it further, which I recommend, but it isn't necessary. Number two, add your carrier oil of choice. I used olive oil because I already use it for food as well as hair and skin, but you want to make sure you add enough oil to cover the carrots. Number three, let it infuse for a week in a cool, dark place while making sure to mix it up every 2 days. Number four, strain it with a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer. That's it. Now you have yourself some carrot oil. The second thing that I made with my 20 pounds of carrots was Jamaican carrot juice. My great-grandma was the first and only person to bless my taste buds with this drink, and now I present it to you. Step 1. Peel, wash, and chop your carrots, about 2 cups. Step 2. Blend carrots with 4 cups of water. Step 3. Squeeze carrot juice through fine mesh strainer, separating and discarding of the pulp. Step 4. Mix the carrot juice with sweetened condensed milk. I only had dulce de leche on hand. This works too because they're practically the same thing. Dulce de leche is just the caramelized version. Due to the dulce de leche being so thick, I had to blend it twice. Step 5. Mix in your cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla extract. Serve and enjoy over ice. The third thing that I made with this 20-pound bag of carrots is carrot cake bars. You already know I had to make carrot cake with all these extra carrots, but I decided to do a little spin on it. Carrot cake bars. I came across this recipe originally from Pinterest, and I was like, oh, let me try something different from my usual carrot cake that I would do the cake and then I would make the cream cheese icing with it. But this is 2-in-1, the cake and the cream cheese icing all baked in one. So this is the part where it gets fun, where the cream cheese and carrot cake become one and you get to drop it and swirl it. I really feel like that should be a dance, so we're about to offer some comedic break. So after you swirl it, you put it in the oven. This is how it looked right out the oven, and this is how it looked after it cooled and I took a piece out of it. The fourth thing that I made with my 20-pound bag of carrots is carrot fries. I came across this recipe on Pinterest and thought, yeah, I'm gonna need to try this because I love sweet potato fries. But this is what the carrot fries gave. Wannabe sweet potatoes. It shriveled up way more than sweet potatoes would have. They're just not built like that, but they're delicious nevertheless. This is before it goes in the oven, and this is after it came out, shriveled. The fifth and the last idea for this video is carrot noodles. I also saw this recipe on Pinterest. So basically, 3 out of 5 of my ideas came from Pinterest. However, carrots are great alone or to add to stews, salads, soups, and stir fries. And that is exactly what these noodles remind me of, stir fry. But it is so good. This seems like it would be a healthy and delicious alternative to ramen noodles because it's just as cheap and filling. It may take a little bit longer, but you're getting health out of it instead of lots of sodium like ramen. You can't tell me these noodles don't look good. If they don't, they surely tasted good. I still have lots of carrots, so comment and tell me some of your favorite ways to use them. And as always, thanks for watching.